Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a video that's the ultimate guide to surge arresters. We're going to talk about how they can protect your valuable electronics and your appliances and keep you from costly repairs. Remember to like, share, subscribe for more electrical safety tips for your house and business. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to decide if a surge arrestor is right for you and your house to protect your electronics and appliances. In power spikes, a surge arrestor will divert the excess voltage off of the power side of your electrical system to the ground. Ensure anything can cause a power spike. Sometimes it's the utility, sometimes it's loose wires, but sometimes it's a lot of stuff that can happen inside your home. Small surges that over time equal a lot of damage. That's ultimately what takes out a lot of electronics. By utilizing a surge arrestor, you can minimize the potential for that to happen. A surge arrestor is an essential device for your home's electrical safety to divert excess voltage off of the line side of your system onto the ground. Always consult an electrician when you want to install a surge arrestor. They need to assess your home's electrical system to see what you'll need and the best options for you. So this is one style of surge arrestor. This is a square D surge arrestor. This is a square D panel. You can't really tell here, but this green light, there is a green light here. If the light is on, it's good. If the light is not on, it has to be replaced. Always call an electrician to install or replace a surge arrestor. It's drilled out with a 1/2-inch hole and then secured with a lock ring. And then here are wires coming out. We have our two hot leads. We have a white one and a green one right down here. You might not be able to tell, but it's back there. Now let's look at the connections where the other end of these wires are. Okay, so here are our connections. We have one side going to this 20 amp breaker and one side going there. So when a surge happens, it comes off of wherever it's coming from, through these two wires, down through our box, and bleeds back onto those two wires to get sent back to the utility. That's how it protects your electronics and appliances. It takes the small voltage spikes and the large voltage spikes and diverts them back to that bus right there, which goes to ground in multiple places. So that was our ultimate guide to surge arrestors. Remember, there's multiple brands, there's multiple styles. They divert excess voltage off and run it back through the ground. As an electrician, I think that everyone should probably consider putting one on their house. They can save you a lot of money in the long run. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notifications. Thanks. Bye.